Good evening, guys. I'm at, I don't know if it's the MRT or BTS, I always forget all these train systems and stuff like that, but I'm headed to the night market right now, or I'm waiting to head to the night market right now to Jodd Fairs, or whatever it's called, and we'll see what that is all about in a few moments. So I'm transferring from the BTS, I think, to the MRT, which is the underground one. Yes, MRT, the M right there. And gonna go to Jodd Fairs. So basically you just wait, you get one of these coins, get one of these little tappy coins, and then you tap, you scan, you get in, and then you just wait for the train. It's very similar to like Japan, so really organized too. There's little designated areas for you to stand and wait, and it's super efficient, usually very on time, and yeah, a lot of people in and out all the time. Oh man, it's packed. Wow, it is like super packed. So it looks like I'm gonna have to miss this one because everyone's packed with sardines in there. Insane. And it is only a Wednesday night, but it is stuffed. No one really got in there. Got Jodd Fairs on the right, I think, and a big old mall. And we got the streets of Bangkok, baby. I don't know what that thing is up there, but it looks cool. This area seems pretty poppin'. Let's see what else there is to come right now. Hopefully they have some food because I'm getting kind of hungry. Had 2 classes of Muay Thai today and got wrecked. Actually, since we're talking about Muay Thai, if you guys are gonna come to Bangkok and do Muay Thai training, make sure when you're sparring that you let your partners know that you want to do light sparring, because in the first 2 sessions of mine I want to say I got rocked pretty good for like a first timer, and it was yeah, getting punched in the face is never a pleasant experience, I think. So make sure you let your sparring partner know, like, hey, I'm new, let's take it easy, let's be technical, let's not get too crazy, and let's not give each other some CTE. But yeah, aside from Muay Thai stuff, we're just browsing right now. Got some of these elephant pants. Lots of people. Not as much food as I'd like there to be. Hopefully there's more. All kinds of shops, nail salon in the middle of nowhere. I wonder how they even like set this up. I think this is like a like a tech place. Pepe. Gotta get that Pepe. Please have some food. Smoothie shop. Looks good. Sock shop. Want to get some socks. There always seems to be like one of these sock places. Souvenirs. And this is a sticker enamel place. It seems like it's almost like a B-side label in Japan. I think that's what it's called. Caps. I might actually get one of these caps. I might come back later. I've been like wearing this free hat I got from this networking event, and it's not the vibe. I might pick up one of those hats. I might pick up one of these elephant pants things too. Oh, they got food. Oh, there's more stuff. Sweet. Alright, I'm gonna check back in with you guys because I'm gonna look for some food first.